Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of India's most iconic and enduring reality TV shows, MTV Roadies. Imagine a journey filled with adventure, drama, and the ultimate test of grit. That's Roadies for you. Launched on August 15th, 2003, this show isn't just about traveling to exotic locations or competing in extreme tasks. It's a cultural phenomenon that has shaped and mirrored the dynamic spirit of Indian youth. Let's get into what makes Roadies a standout in the realm of reality television. From its inception, Roadies has been a roller coaster of emotions and challenges. Contestants are pushed to their limits, testing not just their physical stamina, but also their mental toughness and social skills. Whether it's biking across rough terrains or strategizing in high-pressure situations, each participant gets a shot at proving their mettle. But what's truly unique about Roadies? It's the evolution. The show has brilliantly adapted over the years, shifting from bikes to cars and introducing new roles like gang leaders. These changes not only keep the format fresh, but also resonate with the changing preferences of its audience. It's this adaptability that has kept viewers hooked for nearly 2 decades. And where can you catch this thrilling show? Well, apart from its traditional TV broadcast on MTV India, Roadies is also available digitally on platforms like Voot and JioCinema. This accessibility makes it easy for fans to watch their favorite episodes anytime, anywhere. To sum it up, MTV Roadies isn't just a show, it's a testament to the resilience, adventure and spirit of youth. It's about real people, real challenges and real emotions. So if you haven't yet, it's about time you join the Roadies revolution and experience this journey full of twists and turns yourself. That's it for today's dive into MTV Roadies. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next video.